What is home automation? Residential automation is the use of technology to help with the usual tasks of a residence, aiming to make them easier, more practical, or even automatic. Increasingly, demand increases for the purchase of motion sensors, timers, voice control programs, and even remote controls, or keypads, that with a simple touch perform the tasks that were previously programmed, thus bringing greater practicality, economy, safety, and comfort to the resident. Automation or home automation is to make the electronic systems work in a system, which can be unique or independent of each other, since this depends on which systems you have in your home, and if they can operate in single control, and the amount invested for automation. When did residential automation come about? How was it? The concept of residential automation emerged in the 1970s in the United States, but did not arise to automate residences. The concept emerged when the first industries were suffering from the application of automated systems to optimize production. But by the early 1980s in Brazil, there was a company called AIT, Industrial Automation and Telephony, where the main customer was the Citibank. At that time, the goal was to control the central administration building on Paulista Avenue as a whole and connect it to its network of agencies. The control of the building began with entrances and exits, where they had sensors that were connected by electromagnetic controls, and when the building to be accessed was made from places farther away from the plant, it was made by radio waves, remote control. That is, each door and window should have sensors and its own piping, and the thermal comfort of the building, temperature regulation of the environments, with temperature controls. The objective, in addition to safety, which consisted of preventing the building from being accessed by undesirable people, was to minimize maintenance costs and create and generate reliability to the bank's system. The great revolution of building automation, and also residential and industrial, occurred from the advent of optical fiber, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and miniaturization of electronic components, circuits and chips. A mere example. Before, to connect a stereo to its speakers were necessary cables. Today, Bluetooth fulfills the same function with almost the same precision and quality.